Top analyst. FEG token going to 1 cent soon. Mathematical analysis plus logical price prediction explained. The FEG token has gained some popularity in recent months, as investors are seeing potential in this token. This video will show you some mathematical analyses and a logical prediction of FEG's price, as well as what some analysts said about the price. Welcome to Crypto Live. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. We will talk about the price today as well as the token burn that will happen in the future, so we will probably discuss the price. Either it will fall or rise. According to CoinGecko, the lowest price the FEG token has reached for the past 7 days was $0.000000005498 on July 10th. Which ended at $0.000000005502, and the trading volume was around $1,459,534. FEG tokens were trying to consolidate in the past week since the token has been on some kind of roller coaster ride. If you look at the historical chart for the past 7 days, last July 4th the trading volume was $2.06 million. And what you see is that it was a roller coaster and that the consolidation level dropped to 1.7 million for 2 days before going back up to almost 2.7 million on last July 7th. Generally speaking, the FEG token has seen a dramatic increase of 95,000%. The FEG token, which stands for Feed Every Gorilla, offers a decentralized network for facilitating operations on the Ethereum blockchain carrying these deflationary tokens. The total circulating supply of the cryptocurrency is 100 quadrillion tokens. The Ethereum blockchain burned 58 quadrillion tokens last July 11th, and the Binance Smart Chain burned 56 quadrillion tokens. So after that, the marks just disappear, and maybe half of the next month, 20 quadrillion more will be burned, and the price will double. As a result, every transaction on the network is taxed by 1%, paid by the sender. That 1% is then distributed to holders, while another 1% is burned. Let's say you do a quick calculation and say you have bought a really large amount of tokens, and based on the daily volume of trading, we will find that like 20,000 tokens are burned daily on this token. In that case, we can expect to earn thousands of dollars almost every single day. Let's make a quick math calculation. That's a huge amount of tokens burned daily. But if you look at the 1-month chart, we burnt around 2 million tokens per day. So how much more for a month? Talking about the coin inside the rise and fall and off-the-sheet coins over the past few months, FEG crypto started to appear on the internet. It has a logo of a gorilla and is an acronym for Feed Every Gorilla, as we all know that. As an experimental deflationary token, FEG tokens will benefit from many transactions, and a tax of 1% per transaction will be distributed to the holders, along with a further 1% burning to increase scarcity and incentivize holders to hold. It started with a market cap of 400 quadrillion and has already burnt 44 quadrillion tokens in the first couple of weeks with just a 1% tax. In addition, there is no burning limit, which means if enough volume is consumed, the proposal could skyrocket, which could cause concerns since fees values are still low at the moment. A small amount can provide a large amount of revenue. However, if we were to obtain the volume of, for example, Dogecoin, which is currently at 7 billion with 1% burn tax fees, that would take out 78 million, which would amount to roughly 2 quadrillion. The number of quadrillions of burnt means that with enough consistency of volume, the burnt amount could exceed 400 quadrillion a bit faster than 400 quadrillion a cap. A scarcity issue would result in increased demand. The only problem with this is that it needs more recognition. I believe that if the coin were pushed to the front of the line, everyone who invested into it would make this coin explode. The FEG coin has potential. But what do you guys think a long charms coin could have at a fair price? It is relatively low on DEX, but I believe it will begin to achieve some success in the coming months. To summarize, we will probably burn more of these coins if we buy more of them and sell them. In other words, maybe a half of the coins can be burned each month. That would take maybe 5 months to burn the huge supply. So we'd be burning trillions or even billions of tokens. So that would result in a tremendous price bomb. And that is what we can talk about the FEG token. Also, FEG token is currently being played over the NASDAQ billboard, where it will be played 5 times per hour over a 7-day period. It began on July 7th and was set to end on July 14th. As you can see, there have already been several articles as well as tweets about the billboard, as well as being on buses in New York along with this billboard. Currently, New York is a big marketing area for FEG tokens, and a lot of people are surely finding out about it. I think that overall, FEG tokens did an excellent job in terms of marketing and a great job in terms of planning. First of all, their Twitter account is continuously updated every day with the latest news. Additionally, we all know that they have a great cause. It was a great move from a strategic standpoint that they had chosen the NASDAQ billboard in New York because, first of all, hundreds of thousands of people see that billboard throughout the week. Thus, a lot of attention is going to be drawn to it. And second, token is a cryptocurrency outside of the financial realm. Generally speaking, people don't spend their time investing in cryptos, and since New York is known as the financial capital of the world, they're eager to jump into new investment opportunities. Therefore, the FEG team made a phenomenal effort to place this token on the billboard. Here we can see that there are several significant factors to note in 1-month chart in CoinGecko. Once the FEG Exchange version 2 was actually launched and began to increase, the horizontal level of the exchange almost reached 90 cents when we first started discussing it. In the end, though, it actually reached the 50-cent line and broke it more than once before going down again. The price went up by a little bit at 60 cents as the token exchange V2 had already been launched. Furthermore, the company went on to the NASDAQ billboard, so there seems to be a lot of potential for this to go up. Therefore, if it breaks through this 90-cent line again and even breaks through this 100 line, it will have a good chance of continuing on. Thus, we have the future price predictions, and this 20 line is more of a long-term play. However, the future price may well be possible. Along with these things, I do want to make sure that you're doing your due diligence and that you are confident about what you are buying. And that's why we always give our predictions and never suggest you need to buy this coin. So while you're planning on buying a token, you can use our videos to help you make your decision. The safest, most secure place to buy a token is on the new FEG exchange. You can also enjoy other rewards there when you purchase the token. In fact, talking about security, FEG has partnered with ATEITIS, a cybersecurity company from Argentina. Their partnership is to basically improve the security of the FEG exchange, which is really cool, isn't it? Due to the token being relatively unknown outside of the United States, this partnership would be beneficial to both parties because, in general, in South America, tokens are not very well known and are not very popular, and exposure to South America will help the token reach new markets and ultimately bring in more buyers. It's considered helpful for FEG tokens to have a greater awareness of markets outside of the United States as a rule. In other words, this is a catalyst that can propel them even further than they already are. Plus, Dino Wallet has also partnered with them. The Dino Wallet is actually yet another cryptocurrency, and they have a wallet app that allows you to use the FEG exchange from the Dino Wallet app. It's a very convenient way to buy FEG tokens, and it's a very safe way to do so. So when you're thinking about investing, this is an option you should consider. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.